out there, and then he has a max.
Oh!
You did that all by yourself?
Whoever said this, I need to remove the cup.
Mine?
Can I touch it?
Touch what?
Move the cup.
No. Both cups? Whose volcano?
Mine.
Wait,
Your cup.
His
Move your cup.
Oh, shoot. Oh! Both sides.
Get back up.
That's like the both sides. Your pterodactyl's gonna die.
I know that.
Let's watch his dinosaurs die. He did. They're all dying. No, like can I go ahead and pour more in mine for the second time around? Can we go ahead and pour more in the second time around? Can we pour more in?
No, wait a minute. Yeah. Ready? Y'all ready?
Oh my God! Wow! We have one more up here. The T-Rex died. Your tree's gonna get knocked over all of them.
Whose volcano? Okay, y'all ready?
After this, can we run some more?
Yeah.
Because we're supposed to have
That's for
recess.
your second go round.
What
We're not
about
having a second go round.
what about recess?
Honey, this is your recess.
What?
Yeah.
What?